Liquids in rigid body motion. In, in rigid body motion, relative position of fluid particles will not change. Hence, there are no viscous forces. If fluid is accelerated, then it experiences inertia force in opposite direction of acceleration. The liquid in rigid body motion can be considered as static fluid with extra body force due to inertia. In rigid body motion, pressure increases in the direction of body force. Pressure increases in the direction of body force. AX, AZ, MAX, MAZ plus G. Delta PX is equal to rho AX. This is rho AX into delta X. Delta PZ is equal to rho into G plus AZ into delta Z. Here, as inertia forces in this direction, P3 greater than P4, P2 greater than P1. These are inertia force in the direction of acceleration. Okay, this is downward. Free surface of liquid always remain perpendicular to the net body force in rigid body motion. Tan theta is equal to ax by g into a plus by g plus az. Theta is equal to tan inverse ax by ag plus az. Okay, this is resultant perpendicular to that. Rigid body motion forced vortex omega p1 p2 greater than p1. This is d omega square in this direction. P3 greater than p4. P3 greater than p4 centrifugal in this direction. Px dA plus dm r omega square minus p plus dou p by dou r into dr. dA is equal to 0. dm r omega square is equal to dp by dou p by dou r into dr into dA. P rho into dA dr r omega square is equal to dou p by dou x into dr dA. Dou p by dou r is equal to rho r omega square integral r1 to r2 dou p by dou r into dr integral r1 to r2 rho r omega square dr. Pr1 minus Pr2 minus Pr1 is equal to rho r square omega square into 0 r1 to r2. Delta Pr is equal to rho omega square by 2 into delta r square. Pa is equal to P atmosphere, Py is equal to P atmosphere. Pb is equal to Pa plus rho Gz. Pb is equal to Pb minus Po is equal to rho omega square by 2 into r square minus 0. Pb is equal to Po minus rho omega square r square by 2. Pa plus rho Gz is equal to Po plus rho omega square r square by 2. P atmosphere plus rho Gz is equal to P atmosphere plus rho omega square r square by 2. Z is equal to omega square r square by 2g. This Z is equal to r omega square r square by 2g. Surface of paraboloid of revolution. AP is equal to 2 by 3 AR. VP is equal to VC by 2. AP is 2 by 3 AR of this rectangle. Vp is equal to Vc by 2. Show that initial level of water in cylindrical tank remains at center of total height of paraboloid of revolution in rigid body motion if liquid doesn't spill out of container or bottom surface is not exposed. V initial is equal to V final pi r square into y plus h. Initially this y plus h is equal to h into pi r square plus this area pi r square into x plus y minus pi r square by 2 into x plus y. This is x extra. Y plus h is equal to h plus x plus y by 2. X 2y is equal to x plus y. X is equal to y means this rise is equal to x is equal to y. Okay, the rotated, this is rotated. PB minus PY is equal to rho omega square R square, rho P atmosphere plus rho GH minus P atmosphere by 2 is equal to rho omega square R square by 2. From that we can get. Okay, these are based on that concept. Okay, done.